Minato, today what are we eating?
Japanese noodle and Malaysian noodle.
Yes, Japanese noodle.
wait.
This is Nissin Japanese noodle. Wow. Oh. Wow. Can you show mommy which one is which one? This is This is Japanese one, seafood. And this one
Malaysia.
is Malaysia ones. Also seafood. Today we are gonna compare which one. Okay, Minato. Today we are gonna compare which one is better.
EUPNOODLEF. Minato.
No.
Yeah.
Let's cook. Let's add hot water.
My magic pencil.
Oh, only half, upper half. Okay, stop. What they got inside? Oh. Is that crab?
Yeah, no, it's crab. This crab there.
It's a soup. This is a soup. Also, this one.
See to open it.
Oh, Minato, Japanese one don't have that soup. Only this. Malaysia one got this.
Why can I?
So
Can I
thin.
open all? Because I cannot.
Because you need to add hot water, then close again. That's why we
And
need.
shake.
No, it's so hot. If you shake, then hot water come to your face. So dangerous. So the Malaysian seafood cup noodle inside look like this.
Poppy.
And the Japanese one is like this. Let's try.
Now we're going to put my minion going Doraemon.
Okay, so I think we are ready. 3 minutes has passed. We can open now.
Not yet.
Yes.
No.
No, 3 minutes finish already. Okay, let's open. Wow.
Wow.
Is it different?
Yes, different.
The egg, the size of the egg is Japanese one is bigger and Malaysian one egg is small. I think.
My Spider-Man is sitting.
Also the veggie Japanese one is bigger
My Spider-Man is sitting.
and Malaysian one smaller, I think. Okay, so we put inside the small bowl because it's too hot for Minato. So now Minato is trying the Malaysian one. Malaysian Nissin Seafood Cup Noodles. Yummy. Kind of spicy, is it? But it's not the spicy one.
So now I try.
Try Japanese one.
I try my noodle first.
Yeah.
Hey, bless me.
Let's try the Japanese noodle, Japanese seafood. Is it spicy? Malaysian one was spicy. Japanese one not spicy. Okay, so Minato, which one you like?
Pizza.
But it's very different, I think, because mommy tried this Malaysian seafood one and also Japanese one. And I thought Malaysian one, even though it doesn't say it's a spicy one, compared to the Japanese one, it's a bit more spicier. And Minato also said that. But still acceptable. But Japanese one, it's really not spicy at all. So I prefer this one. I personally prefer this one is better. What about you, Minato? Which one you like the best? Or Okay, but this one was a bit spicy, Minato. This one no spicy. But you still like both? Okay, good.
Everyone